Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the ultimate tofu scramble. It's something I've posted on Instagram quite a lot and people always say it looks amazing, they want to know how to do it, what goes into it. It's so easy and it's so quick, so I'm going to show you how to do it. This is a great one for everyone doing veganuary. If you've just given up chicken periods and you miss them and you want to eat something else that isn't a chicken period, this is exactly the same. So I'm just going to show you everything you need for this. You don't need some of these things, but I'll talk you through them anyway. So get that out of the way a sec. So for the tofu itself, this is just, we got this from Sainsbury's supermarket and it's only a really small one. It's just in the Japanese section, I believe. But I know that Waitrose, Sainsbury's, all the supermarkets sell them, especially the big ones, are just guaranteed to have them. Really, really good. It's important because you need the silken kind. The regular tofu's firm. You can do this, but it's nowhere near as good. It's not that sort of like wet egg texture of scrambled egg. You need ground turmeric. Onion granules, I mean I just winged it and put these in. They're not actually in any of the other recipes online, but I love onions, so. And then this is like really, really important. So this is black salt, and this has just a real natural sulfuric taste. So it's that eggy taste, that eggy flavour. And when you eat it straight out of the packet, I know it's a bit gross, but I did it, and it tastes like boiled eggs. So this is really important if you want it to have that eggy flavour. This is still delicious with just the other seasonings and not the eggy flavour. But I mean, this is a game changer for us. We've only recently tried it and we're in love with this. So black salt, we got this off Amazon. I think you can get it in a lot of health food shops. And then finally pepper and yeast flakes, which if you've never had these before, or if you're probably new to veganism, if you've not seen this before, they're yeast flakes, they're really good for you. They're enriched with B12, I think it's natural B12. There are all kinds of vitamins and stuff in them, and it tastes really naturally cheesy and it's just delicious, and we put it on everything. So there's that, and then we're going to use Waitrose sourdough because it's our favourite sourdough and it's just so good. This is the dairy-free spread we use. Tastes exactly the same. Don't know why you'd pick one with less cholesterol when you can have one with zero cholesterol. Doesn't make sense, does it? So, and then we're going to put avocados on the side next to it because they taste great with this meal. All in the same mouthful, it's delicious. And we recently found out that the Quorn, just the Quorn vegan ham slices make incredible bacon, and we've tried loads of bacon alternatives actually, and we've never really liked any that much. But this is lush, this is really, really good. So you just fry it in the pan. So I'm going to show you how to cook it all now. Okay, so to start, I'm just going to put a little bit of butter in the pan. You don't actually need to do this, you can just like cook it in the water it comes in, but I guess at this point I'm just going to say that I am not a chef. Please don't laugh at me.
I'm the chef of this relationship.
Abby is the chef. I've just discovered a real passion for food since going vegan, so that's why I'm doing this. I like the junk food stuff.
He's the junk food connoisseur. And
Abby makes the real meals that are actually healthy and good for us, so it's a good balance. Anyway, so I'm just going to heat that up a little bit. And then, while that's heating up, I'm going to grab this. And I'll just literally just cut the edges off. I think Silken often,
It's got water in it.
So it comes with water in it, and what you do is you cook it in the water. It really helps it stay like
eggy
soggy and moist. So
that doesn't make it sound great. It's just eggy moist, texture.
Moist egg. Okay, so literally just going to open this up. Yeah, like I was saying, I think Silken Tofu usually always comes in like a cardboard box. I've not really seen it in anything else, so it probably helps to look out for it.
Yeah, it's not in the fridge section.
Usually in the Japanese, like Asian-y food sections. So then literally you've got this big block of tofu, and obviously it doesn't look like scrambled egg right now, so all you do is literally break it up, and it's even now when it's just not cooked, it's just so soft. You just break it up, it's got a bit of water in there, and you just let it cook.
Just keep mashing.
And you basically just want to cook this now until the juices have really gone. And once the juices are gone, you then add the seasoning. So you can see already that it's just starting to look like egg. It's pretty crazy. So I'm just going to put a little bit of, by the way, this is the oil we use. It's pure sunflower oil. It's what we usually use for cooking if we can't use like...
No, we use it all the time.
But we quite often put like water in as well, don't we?
Yeah.
So we don't use too much oil. But I'm just going to get this pan ready for the bacon because I'm kind of just sat here waiting for that to cook now. Alright, time for the best part, seasoning. So I'm going to put pepper on there. depends. This is obviously entirely up to you how much pepper you like. We really like pepper, so nooch. Obviously, you can't really put too much nooch on, so get that noochy in there.
Don't be shy. Come on.
Oh, you want more than that?
Yeah.
Oh, you want more? Yeah.
Yeah.
Get that nooch right in there. Right in there. Okay. And then turmeric. Wouldn't put too much of this on because it's pretty strong.
Yeah, it's just for the colouring. Really.
Gives it a great colour, and it's just a nice flavour, and obviously turmeric's very, very good for you, so I'd say that's about right actually. Yeah, that looks great. And then we'll give that a mix. That's not all the seasoning, by the way, but you can see immediately now that's looking like egg. Oh, it smells so good. And then black salt. Oh, we haven't put onion granules on yet. So again, this is just like winging it. You don't need onion granules. Just,
it tastes great though.
it does taste really good, so I would advise going for it. Again, just put it to flavour, it doesn't matter. There's no exact amounts for this at all. And then the secret ingredient. Now this one, I would be careful with because I know it's a massive bag, but this stuff is so strong in flavour. You have to be careful with it. So really, we just kind of, I think the trick is to go small and then you can always add more. Just don't go too big, but that looks about right, do you reckon?
Yeah.
So I'm going to put that on. And then I think, to be honest, that'll be more than enough for this to taste incredibly eggy, which is quite amazing.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay. And I'm just going to, see that just immediately, if you could smell it, just
stinks of egg.
Stinks of egg. That real sulfuric smell and flavour, and yeah, very eggy. Okay, so this is pretty much ready now. So I think the next step would be to get the bacon on.
Yeah.
So bacon time, couldn't be more straightforward. Literally put some oil in the pan, heated it up, grab me bacon. Oh, this stuff really shrinks actually, doesn't it? Shrinks in the frying pan, right? No?
I mean, it curls up a bit when you cook it for longer.
Okay, well, we have a really small frying pan.
Yeah,
right
we
now.
don't have two decent sized
big
ones.
frying pan's not good. Okay. So I'm just going to chuck that in like that, and I can move it about. But ideally, you'd have a bigger frying pan than that. So, and that pretty much is good to go. This fries really quick. That bacon, you've got to be careful because it'll overcook very quickly and dry out. So I'm going to get the avocados ready. And then we're good to go. I don't know if you want me to show you how to cut an avocado.
No, I think they're good.
You good? You guys good? It is like jelly. Look at that jiggle. Oh, looking so good. This bacon is looking amazing. Look at that. Wow. Okay, so now we're just putting the toast on. Oh, that's a pretty little avo. That's a really pretty little one. Okay. Okay, now we're just serving it up. I'm starving. I cannot wait to eat this. Presentation's not going to be that great because it's not exactly my forte, but look at that juicy little vegan egg on there. Yum. And then the bacon, which, like we said, it burns very easily, but this actually looks... Oh yeah, that feels great. So, bunch it up. Nice little bit of bacon on there. And that is a really quick, healthy, relatively healthy vegan breakfast. Nice treat for the weekend. Alright, so here it is, all served up. It looks freaking amazing. That bacon looks like the best we've ever done it so far. Now you just need to grab a cup of tea and enjoy.